Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your fruits and vegetables grow faster. So if I just go to the cell section here, actually it's on the other side, I'm sorry. I have to go to the other side and there will be what it's called, like a gear shop. What's it called? That's what I meant to say. Anyways, there will be a gear shop at the end here. Press E and then show me the gear shop. And then so the watering can will speed up growth as well as the basic sprinkler, can I talk? And the rest as well. If you want to move your plants, you can use a trowel for it. If I go back to the garden and I used the watering can, where is it? There's 10 uses, so just use it on the plant that grows the longest. As you can see right now it's at 21%. This is the only plant that's growing right now, so I'm just going to add everything there. And as you can see, it quickly grew into like a plant, and it's gonna take like less time, I guess. But yeah, the sprinkler is more helpful because it is automatic, so you don't have to click on it. And it grows plants faster, but that is it. Again, the stock is very random. So you might have it one minute, you might have it the other minute. But that is how you can grow plants faster. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.